Hi, my name is Danielle Russell. I'm the Executive Director of Keystone Substance Abuse Services, and today we are here for the Detective Mike Doty Memorial Run at Walter Elijah Park.
So my name is Chris Doty, here with the 809 Foundation at the Detective Mike Doty Memorial 5K here in Fort Mill. So the 809 Foundation was started in honor of my brother after he passed away. Keystone came to the foundation due to an existing partnership that we had already had, and said, hey, we'd like to go a different direction with the run and have it in honor of and memory of Mike.
Keystone is York County's designated substance use authority. We offer prevention, intervention, and treatment, and we offer it to all walks of life. We know substance use doesn't discriminate. So if you or a friend or anyone you know needs help, please come in at our walk-in assessment times, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 2 p.m., or just call 803-324-1800.
Honestly, it's a great thing. Running was something that Mike was very passionate about. He didn't like working out, but he could go run. And you'd see him running 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and sometimes he'd call me at work if I was working, and he'd be like, hey dude, I just got off, I'm gonna go run. And it'd be 1 o'clock in the morning, and he'd just go run around Rock Hill. So he enjoyed it. And so to see this now and to bring people out is a great thing to see.